Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to show you how to make some delicious pizzette di ricotta. I'm going to add the flour, the sugar, and water. At this point, start adding your lard, and it'll get mixed in, don't worry. And then just keep mixing until it's all combined. Once your dough comes together, just finish kneading it. To us, they're just little stuffed pizzette, but you can call them whatever you desire. So once you have all of your dough laid out, you're gonna cut it with about a 3-inch. These have been resting for about a half an hour. I've got some hot oil. I was frying something else, so don't worry about that. Oh yeah. Now as soon as they come out, such a classic childhood treat for me that makes me happier than you could possibly ever imagine.